In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page titles from WordPress the right way. Whether you're looking to clean up your site's look or maintain a streamlined layout, knowing how to properly remove page titles can make a world of difference in your site's appearance. So, let's dive into this step-by-step process. First, it's important to understand why you might want to remove page titles. For many, it's about achieving a sleeker design, particularly when using a page builder or when certain themes just don't display titles in the most visually appealing way. So, if your theme doesn't automatically hide titles, here's how you can do it. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control center where you can manage content, settings, and appearance. Once logged in, navigate to the Pages section found on the left-hand menu. Here, you can see a list of all the pages that make up your website. Choose the specific page from which you want to remove the title. Click to edit this page. You'll notice the title displayed prominently at the top. There are multiple methods to remove it. The simplest approach is using custom CSS. Don't worry if you're not familiar with coding, I'll walk you through it. In your dashboard, go to Appearance and then click on Customize. This section allows you to modify your site's look without directly editing theme files. Within the Customize screen, look for the Additional CSS option. Click on it, and a text area will appear. Here's where the magic happens. You'll need to add a snippet of code to hide the title. The exact code can vary depending on your theme, but a common snippet you can try looks like this: .page title, display, none. After you paste this code in, make sure to publish or save your changes to see them on the live site. If the title is still visible, you may need to inspect the page to find the correct class or ID for the title, and then adjust your code accordingly. For themes that don't support custom CSS through the customizer, you might need to edit the CSS file directly by going to Theme Editor under the Appearance menu. This method is a bit more advanced as it involves accessing theme files. Always back up your site before making changes to these files, just in case you need to revert to the original. Moreover, if you're using a page builder like Elementor or WP Bakery, they often have settings within their interface to hide title sections, so be sure to explore those tools as they can simplify the process significantly. By following these steps, you should be able to remove unwanted page titles, giving your site a cleaner, more professional appearance. If you have questions or encounter issues, feel free to reach out or check out our other tutorials for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and keep optimizing your site for the best possible user experience.